Hi, I'm Ronnie, your Environmental Health, Safety, and Facility student rep.
In this video, we're going to show you a few services we have available for your safety, especially on campus after dark. Make sure to let a friend or family member know what time your class begins and ends. Stick to walking to well-lit pathways. We suggest to keep note of all the nearest exits.
Hi, I'm Officer Poundstone, and I've been working for the State Center Community College District Police Department for 7 years, and I'm currently stationed here at the Clovis campus. Our officers are scheduled from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. We are also in charge of the Herndon campus, and will also be asked to cover the Madera campus from time to time. So you may not see us on campus all the time, but we're close by to be able to respond to any calls that you need. So if you're feeling uncomfortable on campus for a reason or another, make sure you're advising staff, whether it's an instructor or a counselor or even police department. We're here as resources to help out all the students. If it's a big issue, if it's a small issue, that doesn't matter. We're here to help. We also have a night dean who's available, and staff is here as a resource to help you out as well. If you're having to wait for a ride potentially and don't want to wait outside, make sure you use AC1 or AC2 inside the main lobbies. There are seats and tables for you to wait until your ride arrives. If a student is in need of an escort or just maybe in need of any assistance, they'll go ahead and call our non-emergency phone number, which is 244-6140, especially for night classes when it's a little bit darker, your car might be a little bit further away, you might feel unsafe for a reason or another. Go ahead and call prior to needing the escort, and we'll be glad to get you to your car safely if we are available at the time.
3 emergency buttons are located by the roundabouts of AC1 and AC2. If you see concerning situations like a break-in or someone who is hurt, use these emergency call buttons. They will connect you to the district police.
If you're feeling like somebody is threatening you, if they're harassing you in any way, it's good to get us involved so that way we can make that other person aware, because they may not be aware socially that they are harassing you. We utilize students as well as resources to help us. It's important that you notify us what's going on. If you see something out of place, then the best thing is to tell somebody at the very least. Even if you're not really sure who, find a staff member, call a police department, so that way the appropriate resources can be directed in that area. Another safety tip is to make sure that you don't leave anything in your vehicle that's valuable. You don't want to make your vehicle a target that's appealing to somebody who's looking to break in and steal anything. So make sure you bring all your valuables into class with you, put them in your trunk, leave them at home.
If there's a non-emergency accident or one that happens at night, feel free to call the main line. This will connect you to our campus coordinator. Or you can seek out any on-campus custodian, as they will all have radios that can connect you to any campus resources. Our night coordinator, Maya, is available at the Admissions and Records office between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. She can assist you with first aid and reporting any issues. If you are in the AC1 building, you can get help in the Welcome Center with our coordinator, Jamal. You can come here for non-emergency help or if you have any questions after 5 p.m.
You know, if you are taking evening classes, one thing I would recommend is to be sure to get a healthy meal before you get to class. Typically your evening classes come after a long day, and so having a good snack or something to give you that second win for your classes and your studies can really give you a boost to be successful. If you don't have time to get a snack, or you just that day is something you can't get around to, stop by the Welcome Center and pick up one of the snacks that we have available for you.